My name is Greg Foster. I'm working with Manta Weapons Accessories, and it's a product made here in the USA out of New Philadelphia, Ohio. And the product is a heat mitigating product that allows you to have rail covers on or a suppressor cover, and as your firearm heats up, it doesn't get to the point where you can't handle it. It allows you to actually touch and work with the various parts without burning your hands. The product will not melt. You can get this to absolutely smoking red hot on fire on your suppressor and it will not drip melt. It also helps, especially on the suppressor cover, when you are out at night shooting, it helps eliminate and mitigates the IR signature, which is, obviously very important. But some of the other features built into the system, if you're running the rail covers themselves, you can use them with or without products or accessories that have wires. But if you have something that has wires on it, you can actually, this has got a wire management system on some of our covers built in. So multiple additional features that have been added to this product that allows it to give you superior performance. On the suppressor cover itself, it's designed so that you literally, to put it on, you cover your suppressor with a hand sanitizer, slide the suppressor on, and mount it so that literally this heavy spot is at 12 o'clock. And that allows, as the convection heat is pulled out during usage, the pressure pulls the hot air out, sucks in cool air from the back, but this particular area prevents the mirage from getting in front of your front sight. The product's already in the Marine Corps. They're using it under the M27 program, as well as it's moving into the U.S. Army's program. Going back to the suppressor sleeve itself, again, you can run, we've run 14 mags through various firearms with the suppressor cover on the suppressor, and literally got it smoking red hot, and yet you can still touch it. Again, go back to the YouTube videos, go back to our website at manta.us, and you will see a lot of video performance and that sort of thing on how well this product performs. It has now been through the first steps of the Soldier Enhancement Program and is now working its way through the system. It's getting ready to go in for further testing and acceptance, but the key is we've gone through the beginning steps, it's been accepted, and so we're continuing to move from there.